Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, here in this given problem, mass of the ball which is launched with the toy gun, that is m, is equal to 20.0 gram. Spring constant of the spring being used in that gun, that is K, is equal to 12.0 Newton per meter. Compression in the spring, delta X, is equal to 10.0 centimeter. So, using energy conservation, kinetic energy gained by the ball when it leaves the its contact with the spring, that kinetic energy will be equal to elastic potential energy stored in the compressed spring. Cancelling this half, we get an expression for the V, maximum speed gained by the ball as it leaves the contact with the spring, and that expression is delta X multiplied by square root of K by m, plugging in the known values. 10 centimeter for delta X, or 10 by 100 meter, multiplied by square root of K, which is 12, divided by mass 20 gram, or 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram. So this V is calculated to be equal to 2.45 meter per second. One of the answer for this given problem when we are ignoring friction in the motion of the ball. Now, considering the friction also, the force of friction acting on the ball during its motion, that is given to be 0.05 Newton. So, now using energy conservation along with the work energy theorem, elastic potential energy stored in the compressed spring, now it will be converted into two forms. First part will be converted into kinetic energy gained by the ball, and another part will be converted in doing work against force of friction, or we can say this is half mv square plus for the work done by the force of friction, that will be the product of force of friction and the displacement, that is equal to the compression in the spring. So plugging in the known values here, half times of 12 multiplied by 10 centimeter, or 10 by 100 meter square, and it will be equal to half mv square, half m 20 gram, or 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram, v square which is missing, we have to find it, and plus force of friction 0.05 multiplied by 10 centimeter, or 10 by 100 meter. So rearranging the terms, we get 10 raised to the power minus 2 v square is equal to 6 multiplied by 1 by 100 minus 0.05 divided by 10, means it comes out to be equal to 0.06 minus 0.005. So this V will be given by the square root of 6 minus 0.5, means this is 5.5 meter per second, and it is calculated to be equal to 2.34 meter per second speed of the ball, now considering the force of friction also. Second answer for this given problem. Thank you.